Ever wondered how to catapult your Etsy sales overnight? Well, wonder no more. I'm here to share 5 proven hacks that can do just that. First up, consider running a flash sale. By launching a 24-hour flash sale, you'll instantly draw in buyers who are on the hunt for a good deal. Remember, everyone loves a bargain, and this strategy is a surefire way to increase your sales in a jiffy. Next on the list, do not underestimate the power of optimizing your listings. By tweaking your titles and tags for SEO, your shop can soar up the ranks in Etsy's search results. Higher visibility equals higher sales. It's as simple as that. The third hack is all about bundling your products. By creating irresistible bundles, you not only provide more value for your customers, but also increase your chances of multiple sales. It's a win-win situation. Our fourth hack is to harness the power of social media. A quick shout out on your social media platforms can lead to a significant surge in traffic to your Etsy store. So, don't be shy. Let the world know about your amazing products. And last but definitely not least, invest in high-quality images for your products. Eye-catching visuals not only grab attention but also build trust with potential buyers. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple yet powerful hacks that can transform the performance of your Etsy store in just 24 hours. Just imagine waking up to a surge in sales all thanks to these little tweaks. Remember, the key to success on Etsy is all about staying one step ahead of the game. So, why wait? Start implementing these hacks today and watch your sales soar. And in case you need a quick recap, run a flash sale, optimize your listings, bundle your products, promote on social media, and use high-quality images. These hacks are more than just quick fixes. They're a way to ensure your Etsy store stands out from the crowd and keeps those sales rolling in. So go ahead, give them a try and see the magic happen.